welcome back to another episode. This episode, guys, we are playing Toca Kitchen. Today we're going to be playing Toca Kitchen. So let's just get straight into the video. Ooh, okay, who should we pick? Should we pick the girl, the guy with the mustache? Ooh, yeah, the mustache. Or the cat? This one. He got food all over his face. Okay. Is he like a monster cat thing? He looks like a cat. He does really look like a cat. Okay, so... Hey, cat. Okay, I can't pet you. Okay, so we got some food here, so... Do you like fish? Ooh, he loves fish. So, let's see. Go. Okay, I guess I gotta... No, I don't want to boil the fish. I want to fry it. There we go. I don't think he wants to eat the eyeballs, doesn't he? So let me just cut off these eyeballs. Cut the eyeballs in half. Wait, why are the eyeballs going away? Like, why is the pieces going out? Whatever. It might be too small. Okay, so let's eat it. He likes it. I'm gonna make something disgusting. Onion. You're gonna eat the onion. There's hot sauce on it. Ketchup. Lemons. Salt. A lot of salt. You need a lot of hot sauce, don't you? You need a lot of hot sauce. Okay, what's this? I don't know. Okay, eat it. Oh, it's hot because of the hot sauce. Okay, I'm gonna make a juice. So what you're gonna need to do is put water in here and blend the onion up. Make onion juice. Best juice ever. Ew! Don't do that on me! That's so mean! Actually, I'm kind of mean for doing that. I'm putting it in there. You can't stop me. I'm gonna be the worst drink in the world. Okay. Watermelon? You like watermelon? Okay, let's try the guy with the mustache. Okay. See how he likes stuff. Oh, yeah. Okay. Here's a carrot. There's plates here. Can I put it in there? Ooh, that's actually... Okay. There we go. So let me fry this. Is he gonna eat the bone? You ate the bone. Okay, get some water for him. Can I put ice in there? I don't know if I could put ice in there. Okay, here you go. Oh, it's hot, it's hot. Drink this. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's see what she... Okay, let me actually see. What's this? What's this? It's like a hedgehog. What is that? Let me cook it, see if she likes it if I cook it. I think she liked it. Okay, let me try this. It's like a squid tentacle or arm. Octopus. Okay. But if y'all guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. And I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Goodbye.